HIX Bypass allows real-time collaboration, making it easier to work with peers or clients. HIX Bypass is one of the most powerful AI content creation platforms that can help users create high-quality, hassle-free content efficiently and effectively, plus plagiarism-free. This AI website provides a variety of advanced algorithms through which articles, social media posts, product descriptions, and so much more can be generated by users within no time. You save so much time and effort on HIX Bypass because of the speed it provides during content generation, so you may focus on other priorities. You can choose from various templates to get started and even customize the content to fit your brand's voice and style. However, through this platform, users can use many templates that will generate a better response, which the user can easily tailor accordingly to their style. HIX Bypass also allows real-time collaboration, making it easier to work with peers or clients. Further, this AI algorithm makes optimization possible, helping content to better rank on search engine pages. Most importantly, HIX Bypass is not just an AI tool, it is also a humanizer tool that generates content without adding plagiarized content. If you need to generate content in bulk, HIX Bypass has got you covered. You can create multiple pieces of content at once, making it ideal for large-scale content needs. How HIX Bypass works. Here's how HIX Bypass works. Follow the step-by-step guide to maximize your productivity. Create an account on the HIX Bypass website. Select a template based on your content needs, e.g., article, social media post, product description. Enter relevant keywords related to your content topic. HIX Bypass's AI algorithm generates high-quality content based on your inputs. Edit and refine the generated content to fit your needs.